The most expensive word in the world is only 5 letters. It has destroyed more dreams than failure, more potential than poverty, more businesses than lack of capital, more destinies than bad luck. And the shocking part? Almost everyone says this word, every day, maybe even today. This word sounds harmless. It sounds reasonable. It sounds intelligent. But quietly, it steals years. Not minutes. Not days. Years. And if you stay with me until the end, you may realize this word has been costing you far more than money. So what is this word? Keep watching. Because once you see it, you may never say it the same way again. What if I told you the biggest danger to your future isn't lack of opportunity, but delay? What if success doesn't disappear loudly, but quietly? One postponed decision at a time. One delayed action at a time. One excuse at a time. And this is where it becomes dangerous. Because nobody plans to waste their life. People simply postpone it, without noticing. Picture this. Your alarm rings. You wake up. You remember the business idea. You remember the application. You remember the skill you promised yourself to learn. You remember the savings goal. You remember the prayer. You remember the plan. Then one thought appears. Not now, later. You tell yourself, I'll start next week. I'll save when income improves. I'll invest after things become stable. I'll read when life becomes less stressful. I'll launch when conditions become perfect. And suddenly, weeks become months. Months become years. Years become stories. Stories become regret. Most people think dreams die because of failure. No. Dreams often die from delay. Failure hurts. But delay is silent. Failure teaches. Delay drains. Failure pushes. Delay sedates. And most people never realize what happened. Let me tell you a short story. 2 friends finished school. Same age. Same opportunities. One said, I don't know everything yet, but I'll begin. The second said, I'll wait until things become clearer. The first person started small, made mistakes, learned, adjusted, improved, slowly built confidence. The second person kept preparing, watching, planning, waiting. Months passed. Then years. Eventually the second person looked at the first and said, You're lucky. But luck wasn't the difference. Action was. And here comes the reveal. The most expensive word in the world is L-A-T-E-R. Later. 5 letters. Unlimited cost. Because later sounds temporary. But later often becomes never. And that is the tragedy. Think about how often this happens. You said Monday. Then Monday became next month. You wanted to start saving, but another expense came. You wanted to read your books, but you postponed to perfect time. You wanted to apply, but your confidence wasn't ready. You wanted to exercise, but you felt tired. You wanted to read, but entertainment felt easier. You wanted to call your parents, but later seemed available. You wanted to learn. You wanted to grow. You wanted to become. Later, later, later. And maybe you're watching this right now thinking, this is not me. But ask yourself honestly, what have you delayed? That book, that dream, that business, that apology, that skill, that health decision, that opportunity. Most people are not destroyed by dramatic mistakes. They are defeated by repeated postponement. The dangerous thing about later is that it feels safe. You don't feel pain immediately. You feel comfortable. You feel justified. You feel logical. Until time sends the invoice. Here's the painful truth. Later charges interest. Interest on dreams. Interest on relationships. Interest on confidence. Interest on opportunities. Every delay becomes more expensive. Because opportunities move. Markets move. People move. Energy changes. Life changes. And the hardest regret isn't, I tried and failed. The hardest regret is, I never tried. Think about someone who wanted to start 10 years ago. Imagine if they started badly. Imagine if they started scared. Imagine if they started unprepared. Today, they would already be experienced. Most people wait for confidence. But confidence rarely arrives before action. Action creates confidence. Waiting creates doubt. And this is the shocking part. You do not lose your future all at once. You lose it quietly. One postponed action. One delayed decision. One comfortable excuse. Until one day, you wake up and realize time moved. You thought you had time. Time thought otherwise. Think of ordinary life. Someone wanted to open a small food business. They kept saying, when conditions improve. Someone wanted to learn a digital skill. They kept saying, After this busy season, they said, when I become perfect, someone wanted to write, someone wanted to pray, someone wanted to repair relationships, someone wanted to improve financially, someone wanted to start, but later kept winning. Years passed. Now they watch others and think they had advantage, but often they simply started earlier. Starting doesn't guarantee success, but delaying almost guarantees regret. And understand this carefully. Movement is not perfection. Progress is not perfection. You don't need a perfect camera. You don't need a perfect plan. You don't need complete certainty. You need motion. Tiny motion. Because small actions repeated become transformation. Most people think successful people know something secret. Many times, they simply stopped negotiating with later. They acted before feeling ready. They respected small beginnings. They understood something powerful. Life rewards movement. Not intention. Not potential. Movement. You can read motivational quotes all day. You can buy notebooks. You can watch videos. But if action never follows, nothing changes. Dreams are not built by excitement. They are built by repetition. And here's where people miss it. Your future doesn't ask, what did you plan? It asks, what did you practice? Now listen carefully. This message is not about guilt. It's about awareness. You cannot recover yesterday, but you can interrupt delay today. You do not need massive change. You need one step. Send one application. Read one chapter. Save one amount. Walk 1 kilometer. Make one call. One action. Today. Because movement creates momentum. Momentum creates belief. Belief creates results. And suddenly, the thing you feared becomes normal. You do not need perfect timing. You need movement. Your life changes the moment action becomes stronger than excuses. Before you go, I have a beautiful challenge for you, my loyal viewers. Drop your answer to the questions from this video in the comment section below. The first person with the right answers will receive a special reward and an exciting prize pack. I'm eager to see who claims it first. But don't rush. Think deeply. Question 1. What makes the word later expensive? A. It wastes money only. B. It delays action and silently steals opportunities. C. It increases stress only. Question 2. According to this video, what usually creates confidence? A. Waiting. B. Motivation. C. Action. Question 3. Which regret hurts most? A. Trying and failing. B. Never trying. C. Starting small. Question 4. What is the first step to changing your future? A. Perfect timing. B. Bigger goals. C. Taking action now. Comment your answers. And tell me, what is one thing you have been postponing? Write it. Declare it. Then act on it. Remember this. Success rarely arrives in dramatic moments. It arrives in ordinary days. Tiny choices. Repeated. Quietly. The difference between where you are and where you want to be may not be talent. May not be money. May not be luck. It may simply be the number of times you said, later. Don't wait for confidence. Don't wait for perfect conditions. Don't wait for permission. One day, or day one, choose. Your future is created before motivation arrives. Tomorrow is often disguised as never. If this message helped you, like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who keeps saying later. And tell me in the comment section, what powerful topic should we explore next? Because I'll be back again with another powerful, eye-opening, attention-grabbing message designed to help you think bigger, act faster, and become better. The future isn't built by big decisions. It's built by the things you stopped postponing.